Hi everyone, we are here with Dr. Raza Siddiqui. He is the CEO of RAC Hospital. We have a couple of questions for him. First question is, so what are your big plans with the RAC Hospital, with the RAC healthcare system?
I have been in Ras Al Khaimah for the last 20 years. Our flagship hospital, RAC Hospital, I'm the executive director of that hospital, has been functional for the last 17 years now. And over a period of 17 years, we have been able to take care of the needs of the local population, expats, and patients have been coming from the region and international. Today, we get patients from more than 10 countries coming into Ras Al Khaimah RAC Hospital for advanced care work. Now, the entire population of Ras Al Khaimah is going to get access to care with the help of mandatory insurance. So, there is an opportunity, and we have a responsibility to take care of that opportunity. So, we are making a brand new 200-bed completely automated, digitized, futuristic hospital in collaboration with the second largest group of US, which is called Dignity Health Common Spirit. They own more than 140 hospitals in US. And this hospital will be positioned for premium insurance policy holders and Emirati population, will be supported with 3 clinics, which will also have urgent care, a new concept. So people for their small needs need not go to a hospital middle of the night. They have a clinic which has urgent care equipped with top of the line point of care technologies like handheld ultrasound, handheld x-ray, point of care all blood tests, and their solution could be provided within 15 minutes. God forbid they have something serious, ambulance is waiting outside, they can take the ambulance and reach the hospital in time. Then the present hospital, which is 65-bed premium, will be repurposed for a mid-segment and the lower insurance policies. Supported again with 3 clinics so that everybody has access to Arabian Healthcare Group, RAC Hospital, international quality healthcare at their doorstep. Also, we are going to support the wellness programs to keep the communities and people healthy in Ras Al Khaimah. So from illness to wellness, complete solution.
Okay.
This is what the plan is.
Okay, that's great. That's great. How are you planning to engage the demand of mandatory healthcare insurance in Ras Al Khaimah?
So as of now, around 35-40% of population of Ras Al Khaimah has insurance, and obviously 2 tiers, premium and mid segment. Premium today we are able to take care of fully. It's around 50 to 60,000 families which are coming to us, and we are providing them care. And now around 400,000 population is going to get access. So different tiers, premium, Emiratis, category A and B, and mid-segment. So mid-segment is like not worker population alone, but mid-segment employees like assistant managers and other people working in the offices. So premium hospital will give access to premium insurances. The existing hospital will be repurposed for mid-range insurances so that everybody has access to care. So entire population of Ras Al Khaimah will get the experience of premium healthcare, which we have established over the years.
And just one last thing, can you explain the concept of urgent healthcare?
So urgent care is part of a clinic. Every clinic will have a 24/7 clinic, which will be like a mini emergency room of a hospital. So the idea is if somebody's child is not well, he should not go middle of night to a serious hospital ER and get scared about it. So basic care could be provided with top of the line gadgets. Point of care we are introducing. So blood test, ECG, X-ray, ultrasound could be done on the spot. And you have a solution within 15 minutes. Walk-in clinic, no appointments. You can go and come out happy within 15 minutes. This is a new concept which we are introducing here.
That's great. That's great. Thank you very much, doctor, for doing an interview with us. And it is a pleasure to meet you.
Such a pleasure.
Yes.
Thank you very much for asking right questions.
Thank you very much.
I hope I did some